How to change chat theme on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your chat theme on Instagram, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change our chat theme on the DM space on Instagram, just open up Instagram and then go to the DM space by tapping the messaging icon from the top right, and then go to the specific chat on which you want to actually change the theme. So let's say this is the one, and all I have to do is just tap on the profile name at the top, and then I'll come to the chat details page, where at the very top you can see the option called theme, right? Just tap on theme, and here you have basically other themes that you want to use. So just select your choice of theme that you might want to use. In this case, once you select it, just select it like this, and now when you come back you will be able to notice that the theme has been successfully changed, as you can see over here. And this is it on how you can change chat theme on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.